All right, welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. U.S. stocks mixed in the early going here, about 25 minutes after the opening bell. Let's go overseas to get a check on European markets. Yahoo Finance's Tom Belger joins us for this. Tom.
Morning. Yeah, I can't resist saying first that we actually had new stats in the UK this week showing hundreds of thousands of people seem to be leaving London. Just like your previous guest was saying, New York seems to be battling to keep people. But I'm here in London, and I can say stocks in Europe pretty firmly in the red. Both the FTSE in London, the DAX in Germany, the CAC, all been trading around 1% lower most of the day. That means European stocks actually look set to close this week down after 4 weeks of gains. And it puts UK stocks on track for their worst week since mid-October. And you think that we would probably have a better showing given Biden's stimulus plans. But actually, we've seen new GDP figures coming out this morning. They were much better than expected, but still showed the first decline in UK GDP since April. And more importantly, the gloom really seems to be about how badly Europe is struggling with the pandemic and with government restrictions. We've seen in Britain record numbers of people in hospital. We've seen in France the extension of a curfew, potential for a new lockdown there. And then in Germany, the death toll per head is actually higher than the US, according to Reuters. Chancellor Angela Merkel, she wants tougher measures there. And just to top it all off, lastly, a lot of EU countries are already not happy with how fast they're getting their vaccines supplied and distributed. But Pfizer, today we heard, is also temporarily slowing down deliveries to Europe. One good bit of news, though, to end on, it's worth saying that's to upgrade production at Pfizer. So we should get a big jump in doses available from late February. Miles.
All right, Yahoo Finance's Tom Belger from a locked down London. Tom, have a great weekend.